I've been journaling from past 4 years and this is what I have realized. Today in this video we are going to talk about why I switched from a manual journal to a video journal just like this. And I'm also going to tell you one powerful realization that I felt that I realized very lately, but that's definitely helpful. And we're also going to talk about what are the benefits that you'll be having with the video journaling and how that helps in the personal development. So let's get started. I started my journaling journey in the year 2020, and whenever I used to feel sad, depressed, I used to grab a pen and paper and I used to write every single thought which came to my mind. And eventually I started to realize when I was looking at this book today, everything that I wrote back then is happening in my life right now. So whatever that I wanted to do previously, I was acting on it now, but previously when I was journaling over and over again, nothing happened because I didn't make an effort to put all of these thoughts into action. And this was one of the most powerful realization that I had. So manual journaling will help you to understand who you wanted to be, but video journaling will help you to show you who you are. And that is what I love about video journaling. So no matter how much metrics that you calculate on pen and paper, but if you don't view yourself as a third person, how you look, if you don't have any idea about it, there will still be a gap in between yourself and your higher self. So in order to bridge that gap, I think this is one of the way that I can measure myself, where I am going in my life. Maybe if I have made a video back then in 2020 and if I watch it now, maybe I would improve in some terms, but I have no idea who that person is back then in 2020 and what she was doing or how she is looking. I have no idea about her. So now I want to talk about why I started this video journaling and how this will help in the personal development. So regularly speaking in front of the camera will help you to express your ideas clearly. Your articulation, your tone and your confidence matters in public speaking. This is my favorite one because seeing yourself raw and authentic will help you to grow comfortable in your own skin and embrace all the imperfections. You can physically see your growth, your body language, your mindset, everything evolves over time. It also helps you in habit tracking. Watching your past entries will help you what are the behaviors, actions or emotions that you want to keep yourself or you want to change. If you're a person who wants to start your video journaling or a manual journaling, please go ahead and do it because overthinking leads to paralysis of a decision. Thank you so much for watching this video and we'll meet you in the next one.